Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video in this Django tutorial series, and we are going to be talking about more about the HTML templates and how they're actually used in real projects. So basically, to set out a HTML project, as you can see, let me show a website real quick. Let's see YouTube, and YouTube has a navigation bar and this sidebar, and whenever you open a video and the navigation bar is still over there and it hasn't changed, but the content is different, the URL is different, and go back again, same thing. So basically what they do is they create a base template and then extend it across other templates. So let me show you what they're doing. So let's create a new file called base.html, and we'll just set it out as a HTML file. We'll just do test and we'll say h1. This is the, we'll just say, sorry, navigation bar, and then this particular file has to be extended across all other files, and to do so we need to say block content and block. So okay, this might sound confusing to you, but I will explain it to you how it works. And over here you need to extend it, and how you do is go to extends main/base.html, which is main/base.html. So this file is basically extending to this file, and we need to include this whole code inside block content, and we need to do end block. So let's check over here, and this should show this is the navigation bar. So the navigation bar is not in this page, but it's in base.html. So what this whole thing is doing is, let me show you. Let's see the page source. So up to this point and up to this point, it's in a base.html, and this is an index.html. So what it's saying is, from block content to end block, you have permissions to include all other files, and index.html, since we're extending to this, and it's saying from this block content to end block, just keep these contents inside this area. So this is merging two files, and this is keeping inside over here. So next time whenever we develop navigation bar, we develop it over here, and all other our HTML templates are going to follow that template. So that is how you basically create a design for templating in HTML for all sorts of web development. And in our next video we will discuss more about getting the details of these movies and more about the URL and stuff. And if you have any problems, just let me know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.